The US Supreme Court has agreed to take up a key case that could reshape how asylum is handled at the southern border under President Donald Trump's administration. The case, called Noem v. AI Colorado, centers on one deceptively simple question. What does it really mean to arrive in the United States for someone seeking asylum? It sounds straightforward, but the legal meaning has turned into a serious dispute. Under federal immigration law, anyone who arrives in the United States has the right to apply for asylum and must be inspected by an immigration officer. The Trump administration argues that the word arrive refers to physically stepping onto US soil. In other words, someone still standing on the Mexican side of the border is not considered to have arrived yet, even if they are speaking directly with US officials at the border gate. A federal appeals court disagreed last year. That court ruled that an immigrant arrives the moment they present themselves to an American officer at the border, even if the actual conversation happens while the person is technically still in Mexico. That ruling meant that the government's practice known as mentoring was unlawful. Mentoring is when officers turn away or delay asylum seekers by saying the port of entry is full. The Trump administration pushed back, saying the lower court ruling tied the hands of frontline officers and created confusion at port of entry. Now the Supreme Court has stepped in and justice will hear arguments next year. This case does not happen in isolation. The United States granted protection to more than 54,000 asylum seekers in 2023, according to new data from Department of Homeland Security. Those numbers include people approved directly by US Citizenship and Immigration Services and those who won asylum before immigration judges. It's a reminder of how large and complex the asylum system has become and how any court ruling could change real lives almost immediately. Supreme Court is expected to issue its decision by early summer, and whatever the outcome, it will likely influence border policy for years. For now, immigration officers, advocacy groups, and thousands of people waiting in border towns are watching closely. Drop a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Morning America.